basically started selling petty, and just started trying some tricks that I seen on this video. And I do stunt shows all over the place, like different places. But as far as my King of the South show, it's annually at 411 Drag Strip. And it's weird because, like, you know, some of the hardest tricks that you might do, and it might be hard to everybody in the industry, you know, those, I mean, like, you go to a crowd, some of the easier tricks appeal to the crowd more than the hard tricks. It's weird because it's a crossover, man, and like a lot of the balance and stuff that I use through skateboard, it's helped me in my stunt riding, believe it or not. That's more kind of like a job now, you know what I mean? Extreme sports is more like, oh, that looks fun, you know, let's go do it. You know, if you don't respect that bike as your other half, that bike can throw you down on the ground, and all it takes is one wreck, or, you know, one crucial wreck.
Alive, broken down, yesterday's and damage done. Lonely echoes. It's hard to open my eyes. The broken hope of morning discovers you are gone. You left me all alone to sail through the debris, chasing the shadows of the man.